What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, we're gonna be making the tropical itch. So we can all agree that 2020 has not been the best year, the pandemic. And right now here in Southern California, we're having wildfires in December, which is really crazy to think about wildfires in December, the month of Christmas. So this really wants me to go back to Hawaii and just have a nice vacation with no COVID, no fires, just laying on the beach, sipping a drink. And the tropical itch, well, I have an itch to go to a tropical island, so that's why I'm making it today. Let's get started, shall we? First off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 1 ounce of rum, aged rum preferred. I'm using Bacardi Añejo. It is a 4-year aged rum. One ounce of bourbon, preferably a higher proof bourbon. I am using Wild Turkey 101. And then half an ounce of Overproof Rum, 151 preferred, using Don Q. Then half an ounce of Cointreau or triple sec. Fun fact, the original name of Cointreau had triple sec in the name. And then most specs call for passion fruit puree as syrup. I don't have any on hand. I do have some Passoã, so it's gonna be a little bit more boozy. So we're gonna do half an ounce of Passoã or passion fruit puree. Next, for our fresh juices, we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. There we go. Let's just move that there. And then 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Then we're gonna add ice to our tin. Combine our tins and shake. Then we're gonna get our chilled highball glass filled with ice. We are going to be pouring some. Didn't quite fill up the whole glass, but these are the specs. Then we're gonna get an orange wheel. And then we're gonna get some pineapple chunks. Make a little pineapple lemon flag. Lay that in there. There we go. Get our biodegradable straw. And there we have it, the tropical itch. Let's give it a sip. I really love the Passoã because throughout the whole sip, you definitely get the passion fruit. Really good. And the passion fruit blends well with the lemon juice, the fresh lemon juice. Oh my goodness, this is really good. Then you get that kick from the 151 as well as the slightly overproof bourbon. Those typical bourbon notes of The bourbon barrels, you definitely get that in the recipe. That goes perfectly well. Ooh, voice crack. That goes perfectly well with the aged rum. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Stay safe, everyone. See you in the next one.